Namaste to one and all. This is Madhu from Bharati Devabhavan's Residential Public School, Tadepalligudem. In this video, let us learn about yes or no questions into passive voice. How to transform an yes or no question into passive voice. Before we transform it, let us know about a note. Yes or no questions start with the helping verbs. Examples: do or does, did, is, am or, can, will, was, were, have or has, had, etc. To know about yes or no question, simply we can identify by knowing about these all helping verbs. Let us know the structure for active voice. Helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. This is the structure for active voice. Let us know the structure for passive voice. Helping verb plus object plus helping verb related word plus main verb third form plus by plus subject. Let us see the example. In example 1, have you written an exam? Here, have you written an exam? It is the example. Let us compare with the active voice structure. Helping verb have we have written, subject it is you is the subject, then main verb written we have written, object and exam. Let us transform into passive voice by using this structure. Here it is the subject, it is the object. So let us write helping verb. Helping verb related to object we have to select. An exam is object here. As it is singular, we have to write has. Then object. What is the object here? An exam. Has an exam. Then third step, helping verb related word. What is the helping verb related word? Been. Has an exam been, and third form of the verb written. Then by. Then subject. What is the subject here? You. Question mark. Has an exam been written by you is the answer in passive voice. Let us see example 2. Is she searching a book? It is in present continuous tense. For this also we have to follow this structure. Example 2. Is she searching a book? It is the sentence belongs to present continuous tense. So let us see. A book is object here. Helping verb related to object is. Is a book. Is a book. Then helping verb related word. Is a book being and searched. Then by, then she becomes her. Question mark. Then answer is a book being searched by her. Example 2. Is she searching a book? Is a book being searched by her. Example 3. Was he playing chess? It is a sentence belongs to past continuous tense. Here object is chess. So helping verb related to object is was chess, then helping related to verb, then chess played, was chess, being played by, he becomes him. Then question mark. So answer is was chess being played by him. Here see, basing on that we can compare. Was we have taken helping verb, then object chess we have taken, then helping verb related to word, being we have taken, then past participle played, then by him. Answer is was chess being played by him. Then example 4. Had you read the newspaper? Example 4. Had you read the newspaper? So see, helping verb had we have taken, then object, the newspaper is object, that is why newspaper you have taken. Then helping related to word is been, so been we have taken. Then read, past participle V3 read, then by you. Had the newspaper been read by you is the answer in passive voice. Then example 5, has she attended the party? It is the sentence belongs to present perfect tense. Has helping verb we have taken, here object is the party, so object the party we have taken, and helping verb related word is been, so been we have taken. Then past participle attended we have taken by her, she becomes her, here she becomes her, so answer is has the party been attended by her. Then example 6, can he play the guitar? Here for all modal verbs we have to use be as be form. See, can we have taken, object is the guitar, can the guitar be played, play past participle is played, then by him, can the guitar be played by him? Answer is can the guitar be played by him is the answer. Then example 7, does she make a noise? It is the sentence belongs to simple present tense, simple present tense, so we have to take here is, am, are as helping verbs. So here object is a noise, so singular it is, that is why we have taken is. After that object is a noise, make past participle V3 is made by her, is a noise made by her is the answer in passive voice. Example 8, do they read books? This is also sentence belongs to simple present tense. So let us start how to transform into passive voice. Here books object they have given, as the object is plural, so are we have taken, books we have taken. Then past participle of read is read, so then by, and they becomes them, are books read by them is the answer in passive voice. Your question is, do they read books? Answer is are books read by them is the answer. Example 9, did he ride a bike? This is the sentence belongs to simple past tense, so here we have to use was or were. So here what is the object? A bike is object, singular, so that is why was we have to take, was we have taken, was a bike, ride past participle is ridden by him, here he becomes him, so answer is was a bike ridden by him is the answer. Here last example is, will you play the flute? Is the question they have given in active voice. Let us transform. Here will also be we have to use here. Then will we have taken, the flute is the object, so will the flute, then will the flute be played, participle play is played, then by you becomes you, so answer in passive voice is will the flute be played by you. So children, I hope you understand and you use it to complete worksheet 6. Thank you.